In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate DHgate effectively and track your orders without any hassle. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the platform, this step-by-step guide is tailored for you. So let's jump right in. First up, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the DHgate website. Now, for those who may not be familiar, DHgate is a leading business-to-business e-commerce platform that connects Chinese wholesalers with buyers around the world. It's a great resource for accessing a vast array of products, from electronics to fashion items. Upon landing on their homepage, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make your shopping experience as seamless as possible. Once you're on the website, the next step is to navigate to your profile. You'll find your profile icon typically located at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click. This action takes you to a menu where you'll spot the option labeled My Orders. Now, this section is your personal hub for all transactional activities. It neatly stores all the details of your past and present orders, offering a convenient way to manage and keep track of what you've purchased. After clicking on My Orders, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of everything you've ordered through DHgate. Each entry in this list includes vital shipping details and order summaries. Now it's time to locate the specific order you'd like to track. Simply scroll through your order history and click on the one you're interested in. Upon selecting your desired order, you'll be taken to a page dedicated to that particular transaction. Here, you'll see all the pertinent details such as shipping status, estimated delivery time, and a tracking number if provided by the seller. This tool is incredibly helpful as it offers real-time updates on where your package is, allowing you to manage your anticipation and make any necessary arrangements for its arrival. And just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you'll have successfully tracked your order. It's a straightforward process designed to enhance your experience and provide peace of mind knowing exactly where your parcel is at any given time. Remember, being aware of your order status is a crucial part of online shopping. It not only helps in organizing your purchases, but also in resolving any potential issues swiftly. If you have any queries or encounter any problems during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to DHgate's customer service. They are there to assist you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips on navigating the world of e-commerce.